Hello everyone. So let's move on to the next question. For question number 2, we want to find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve y is equals to 2x plus 3 whole thing squared, then bracket of x minus 1, with the line y equals to 3 bracket 2x plus 3. Now, we cannot use calculators for this question. If we want to find the coordinates of intersection, we're going to use simultaneous equation. And since we're dealing with a linear and non-linear equations, we're going to have to use substitution method, and we cannot use elimination. Okay, now I'm going to go straight away with substituting y equals to y, where it says since y is already as a subject here on both sides, so I'm going to write down as 3 bracket 2x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 3 squared, then x minus 1. Okay, now I'm not going to expand everything here yet because I noticed that we have a bracket of 2x plus 3 on the left side and also a bracket of 2x plus 3 on the right side. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to take the 2x plus 3 on the left side to the other side, which will become over 2x plus 3. Now luckily everything here on the right side is multiplication, right? So you can easily cancel the 2x plus 3 with one of the 2x plus 3, which will just leave you as 2x plus 3 instead of square. Now what I can do here is then I will start to expand. So I have 2x times x, that's going to give me 2x squared. 2x times negative 1, that's going to give me negative 2x. Then 3 times x is going to give me 3x. And then 3 times negative 1 is going to give me negative 3. Now we're going to have to deal with a quadratic equation. We'll have to make sure we bring everything to one side. Okay, so I'm going to swap the left and right side. I'm going to have 2x squared, and at the same time I'm going to simplify the middle part here, and we'll get plus x minus 3 equals to 3. So then I'll start to bring everything to the left hand side. So negative 3 minus 3 is going to give you negative 6 equals to 0. Okay, now you can move forward with using the cross method. We have 2x squared minus 6 and x. So I have 2x here and x. Now we want to get x. So I am going to use 2 and 3 here. So that's 4x and 3x, right? When we cross multiply this. Now we want to get x. So it has to be 4 minus 3. So since we have negative 6 here, we need to make sure that one of this gets a negative sign. This will leave me that getting 3 negative sign would definitely meet all the conditions given below. Okay, now we can move forward with factorizing this into 2x minus 3 and also x plus 2, then equals to 0. Now we can solve this by saying that we have 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So if you make x as a subject, 3 to the other side becomes 3, then divide by 2, we'll immediately get 3 over 2. And our next answer for x would be x plus 2 equals to 0, where x will be equals to negative 2. Sorry. Okay, now we're not done yet. Since we're trying to find the intersection between of the coordinates, which means we have to find two answers. We've already found both x. Now I'm going to continue here that for each of the x's, what y am I going to get? So I'm going to use the equation of line y equals to 3 2x plus 3, and I'm going to write here when x is equals to 3 over 2, my y is 3 bracket 2 bracket 3 over 2 plus 3. Then we have equals to, I'm going to expand the brackets inside of the bracket, right? So 2 bracket 3 over 2 plus 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, so 9 over 2. Okay, then 3 bracket, so then 9 over 2 times 2 is just going to give you 9. Then 3 times 9 is going to give you 27. Okay, the next is when x is equals to negative 2. So when x equals to negative 2, it's 3 bracket 2 bracket negative 2. Oh, I think I made a mistake here, sorry. So apologies, my mistake is right here. It should be 2 bracket 3 over 2 close bracket plus 3. There we go. Then we have y equals to 3 close bracket. Then we'll have 3 over 2 times 2, that's 3, plus 3. Then y is equals to 3 times 6, right? Then we have y is equals to 18. Great. Now, on to the next one. We have y is equals to 3 bracket 2 bracket negative 2 close bracket plus 3 close bracket. Then y is equals to 3 bracket 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 3 close bracket. Then we have y is equals to 3 bracket negative 1. Then y is equals to negative 3. Now, let's finalize these answers. Now, we're going to use a 3 dot here indicating that we will be finalizing. So it means therefore. So therefore, your coordinates are 3 over 2 to 18 and also negative 2 to negative 3. And that's your answer. All right.